Blank weight, 298 kg. Base weight, 100 kg. Total weight, 400 kg. The blank of the lamp film should be trapezoidal. Have a corner, don't. Let's cut it off first. Certainly, the normal process should be wire cutting or oxygen cutting. But let's just use 5 axes. Make a slot up and down. Then straighten the turntable. Break it off, and it's like this. Next, change a knife. Perform large surface roughening of the mold. Top-down cut. Swing it 90 degrees, and then layer it. Turn it 180 degrees, and then slice it. The roughening work of this mold. Isn't it beautifully completed?